ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Good morning. Welcome to Python programming class. In the previous session, the following topics are covered in Python programming about working with text files. Okay, first one, how to write data onto the file. Using the write method, we have written data onto the line. There are two methods are there, write method and write lines method. In this session also, we will do some programs on files only. Okay, in this session we will see how to read data from the file. Okay, three functions are there. Okay, very easy concept, not too complex. Open the file using file handler. After opening the file, how to write data onto the file using write line, write lines. Okay, how to read the data means three functions are there. Okay, the name of three functions are read function. Okay, file handle dot read function, read line function, read lines function. Three functions are there, three methods are there. Okay, reading data from the files in Python which can be performed using three functions. The first one is read, very important, read. Next one, read line, read line. Next, second one is read lines. In this session we will see various programs how to read data from the file and display onto the console. Okay, this is the continuation to the previous session. Okay, now we will do some programs. Okay, the location of the file, all we are doing in CSC21 Python folder. Okay, work files, in this one it is there. Okay, previously we have written this file. Anything can be written except time. Srinivas written, suppose I am considering this file. Now I have to read the contents of this file. Okay, this is the file. I am opening within Notepad++. All these are the HTML files I am closing. For your seniors finalists, I am taking the subject web technologies. Okay, this is the file. Which file we have to open? The name of the file is we will open this file, mvrcsc.txt. Okay, here we will type mvrcsc.txt. What are the various file opening modes? Here, what are the various file opening modes in Python? Okay, W mode, W mode, write only mode, W plus mode, read mode, R plus mode, append mode, append plus mode. Okay, the material is available. Today I will upload that one. Go to that Word file. There we will see the material. Okay. Okay, these are the modes available in Python. Okay, next I am saving this file as file save as. Okay, my file 6.py. Open mvrcsc.txt. No need to write data onto the file. Okay, we have to print data. What is the statement to print data? In Python, how to print the data? How to print the statement? Print. Which one we have to print? The data onto the file. Okay, file one dot read. Okay, using that one, we can read the data from the file. Okay, now we will save and execute this one. Okay, I am saving this file. Open the command prompt cmd. Okay, go to the D drive. cd change directory csc21 python cd working with files. In that folder it is there. Okay, what is the name of the file? Python my file 6.py. Okay, nothing is printed onto the output. Why file one dot read append plus mode. Okay, append plus mode is also read operation is possible. Okay, file one dot read mvrcsc my file 6.csc. Why output is not come? We will see what are the corrections. Suppose this is the file. I am opening in append plus mode. Just I am running, saving this file and running. What will be the output? We will see. CLS clear screen. Python my file 6.6. No output. The same file I am open in read mode, read plus mode. Read and write operations can be performed. Okay, file one dot read, file close. Okay, next one I am run. Now we will run this file. Python my file 6. No output. Just I am not saved this one. Okay, save this file. Now run the my file dot 6. Okay, anything can be written except time. Okay, Sritan Sai Kritik. Okay, some names of the file will be outputted. Okay, in this fashion, file one dot read this function. Using this function, we will read the contents of the file. Okay, next we will see how to read particular values. Okay, file one dot read means read plus operation. Okay, after reading all the files, after reading all the contents of the file, now the file pointer is okay, the read operation is completed. Now the file pointer is at the end of the file. In order to move once again starting file one dot seek, file one dot seek of 0. Now the control will go to the start of the file. Now after executing this line, once again the file handler is at the start of the file. Now once again I am printing only first the same statement I am writing. Okay, what will be the output? We will see. File one dot read. Now here I am giving some value 4. Control S. Okay, file one dot seek. This will you used to move file handler to starting. To start of file. Okay. Save. Okay. File dot read. Just for differentiating this one, I am writing here print statement. Print. Okay. Just I am printing some star symbols. Control S. Save. Next one I am running this one. Go to this one. Clear screen. Okay. The same file running. Okay, this will use to my file dot. This will some mistake is there here. This will use it to move the file handler to start of the file. Just I am removing this comment. Some mistake in this comment. Okay, we will run. Comments is not like this single line comment. Okay, how single line comment will declare in Python? This is, I think, in C style. Simply, we will declare multiple line comment. This is the comment for declaring multiple lines. Single line, just to go through, single line comment is also there. How to declare single line comment? I think it is a hash symbol. Yes, it is hash. For declaring single line comment, we will use the hash symbol. Okay. Okay, in Python, this is the syntax. Single line comment, hash symbol, multiple lines, DSR, DSR, MVR. This is the comment for multiple lines. Remember these two. Because I am saying web technologies and Python programming, some other language, a little bit of confusion is there. Which comment, which base. In HTML, if we are doing HTML means single line comment there, we will write like this. In JavaScript like this. JavaScript other. Okay, now we are at Python. Single line comment using hash, multiple line comments like this. Okay, now save the file. CLS clear the screen. Okay, run the file, my file.6. See what will happen? The first one, file1 dot read. File1 dot read, if that command is executed, all the lines of the file will be printed. Okay, file1 dot read of 4. How many characters it prints? A, N, Y. Some space character is also there. That is also only 4 characters are printed. Okay, now we will write here not to 4, 5. Control S. Okay, I am reading 5 characters. Any T. A is the first character, N is the second character, Y is the third character, okay, fourth space character, T is the 5 character. The function, the function read, if no value is specified inside means it will print all the characters of the file. If we specify read of 10, only 10 bytes are readed from the starting to there, only 10 bytes are readed. Read of 9, only 9 bytes are readed. How many number of bytes we are reading, that many number of bytes can be printed. Read of some index specified means only that many number of characters will be read. Okay, this is about read function. Next we will see here important is file seek, output of the read line function. Now we will see the working with read line. Okay, file dot seek. Okay, this is about to read. Once again, I am doing the print statement. File.seek of 0. This command is used to move at the starting of the file. Now I am printing the read line. Print file1 dot read line. What it will output, we will see. After the end of the last statement is file dot close. File1 dot close. I am saving this one. Save. Okay, execute this program. How to execute this? Go to the command prompt, CLS, clear the screen, Python my file.6, file1 dot close, syntax error in line 6. What is the invalid syntax? Some mistake is there here, file1 dot close. Okay, what is it? Here it is not closed properly. Okay, read line. Okay, read line function is not closed, that's why it shows the error. Okay, now we will go to the command prompt. Is it saved? No, save it. Go to the command prompt. Once again, run the my file.6. Okay, first one is read function. Next one is read of 5. Only 5 characters are read. Read line function reads only one line at a time. Anything can be written except time. That file has how many number of lines? 5 lines are there. Okay. Now we will open and see. This is the file. How many lines this file has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Okay, read line function reads first line of the function. Okay, this is about read lines function. Okay, read lines function reads a line until the end of the character. The end of the character is slash n means until the slash n, it will read the contents of a file. Okay, this is about read line function. Next, we will see another function. Read lines, we can give some number also. Read lines function is there. Okay, same we will see for read lines. Only one S is a difference is there. Okay, read lines. File 1.6. Here I am keeping S last. Read lines. Okay. Now I am saving this file. Go to the command prompt. Clear the screen. Run the file. Anything can be written. Okay, what it is written? The first one is Srinivas, Sritan Sai, Sai Kritik, Srinivas, Sritan Sai, Sai Kritik. Okay, the output is the read function ANYT, read of 5. Read of 5 means only 5 bytes are written. Read line. Read line means only the first line is written. Okay, read lines function. Read lines function returns the list of all the lines. The first line slash n, second line slash n, Srinivas, Sritan Sai slash n, Sai Kritik slash n, Shobha slash n. Okay, it returns all the lines. Every line is terminated with end of the line character EON. Okay, this is about read line function. Okay, this is about the files topic. Okay, this is about working with the files in Python. Okay, I am providing the material to you. Go through the material. Not only this program, yourself. Okay, believe practical knowledge, not theoretical knowledge. Do as many number of programs as you like. Okay, whatever I am saying, you will do the programs on that one. Okay, create how to create a file in Python .py extension, how to write data onto the file, how to read data from the file. Okay, next one, how to append data to the file. What is the data truncation? What is the function? Reading the data, read line, read lines. Three functions are there. For reading data from the file, in Python has three functions. Read line, read lines. For writing data onto the file, write line. Okay, two functions are there. Okay, for moving the file handler from starting to from one location to other location, file one dot seek method. Seek method means go to the starting of the file. File dot seek of 3. Go to the third byte of that file. File one dot seek of 100. Go to the 100th byte of that file. Okay, the seek command is used to reposition the file handle. How to open the file? Using the open statement, we can open the file. What are the various file access modes? Okay, just no difficulty is there. Only 6 modes. First one, write W plus, write only, write and read. Okay, read only, read and write. Append only, append A plus mode, A plus mode. Okay, I will upload the material in the shared folder of our department. After this session is over, Okay, see the link for this topic. Okay, go through the material. Okay, this is about the file handling. We will do some more programs using files. This is up to this, it is enough. File means file is nothing but a collection. What is a file? It contains data. What are the operations performed on the file? Read, write. Okay, these are the file access modes. These are the functions used in Python. Okay, now we will see
Now we
some
will
more
see
programs
on program
related to
on
the files
files.
in Python
The
programming.
program is to
Okay, some
copy all
advanced
the
programming
contents of one file to
using
another
these
file.
concepts. Okay, another file it will be created. One file is there already. Okay, it will read the all the lines from that file and print the contents in another file. How it will do, we will see. Okay, first one, this is the new file. Just I am save as my file copy. I am giving the name as my file copy. What is the type of the file? Python. Save. First one. Okay, my requirement is this one. Okay, this file only MVR CSC 1 2 3 4 files MVR CSC. All these files are copied to MVR MVR. I will create new file in MVR. I want to copy all the data from this file to another file. Okay, we will see how to do it. Okay, this is the my file copy.py. This is the name of the file. Just now I am created. Okay, in this file, first I will read and print each line of the file. Okay, file handler F1. Okay, no need to give file 1. F1 is the file handler. Open. Okay, which file I have to open? What is the name of the file? mvrcsc dot txt. Okay, in which mode I will open this file? In read mode. No need to perform any other operation, just in read mode I am opening. I am not writing on the data onto that file. Okay, the file is opened. For each. Okay, now we will write the for loop for this one. For line in F1 for loop. Okay, file handler. Just press the tab button, print line. Just I am reading the file handler for line in F1 print line. Just is it working or not? Just I will check it. My file copy. That my target of this program is to copy all the contents of the file to one file to another file. CLS clear screen. Python my file not file copy. Okay, this is the first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. Okay, every time it prints the line. Okay, up to this, fine. Now we want to copy all this content from this file to another file. Okay, how to do it? This one. How to copy all the contents from one file to another file? I am creating another file F2 equal to open MVR. New file is MVR dot txt. In which mode what is the file access modes? Go through this one. This is important. File access modes. Write mode or write plus mode. Any mode. I am opening this file in write plus mode F2. Okay. F2 dot write. Okay. Just I am printing on the output also. After that F2 dot write. What we will write on F2 dot write? line, F2 dot to right, line. Just here one data is written. This is available on the line. This file one first. I am reading the first line onto this one. I am going to this for loop second line. I am writing a second line onto this one. Okay, just very easy in Python. Okay. After the work is over, F1 dot to close. F2 dot close. Okay, save this file. Just observe here. There is no mvr.txt file. After running this one, it will create the mvr.txt file. Okay, cls clear screen. Okay, next one. Just I am running this file. Python my file copy. Okay, okay, the file is successfully executed. Okay, we will see here mvr.mvr text document. Okay, observe the contents of the file. Anything can be written except time. Srinivas, Sritan Sai, Sai Kritik, Shobha. Okay, dear students, it is very easy to copy contents of one file to another file. Okay, not only 5 lines. If a file has 1,000 lines also, it will copy from one file to another file. Just I will keep another data onto the file. Just is it will copy or not, we will see. The same program I will run with another data. Okay, we will close this one. CSC Python. Here your list is there. STU list. Where it is? Student info. Enter roll number. No. This is the Python file. My notes. Just I am opening this file. Some your students list file is there. I will keep a bulk of data. Open. Not in work files. CSCPP. No. Your list of names is there. Working with strings. No. Student info. Open. Enter. This is the program related to student information. Okay, your list of names is there. Where it is? Open. Mm, Not in work files. Add DIVDS programs. Student info subject. Some text file. The strings class. This is the file. Control A, Control C file. I am creating new file. New. I am pasting all the data of this file. Okay, this file has all your roll numbers and names. Okay, 45, 47 student roll numbers. I am saving this file as save as. In work file folder, I am saving this one work files. Okay, this is the programs. Okay, what CSC STU MVR CSCSTU MVR.txt. The name of the file is CSCSTU MVR.txt. Okay, now here we will observe. Okay, this is the name of the file year 2 CSCMVRSTU.txt. Okay, this file is available in this folder. Work files folder I am created CSCSTU. This file has how much of data? Roll numbers of all your students. Okay, 41, 42, 47 like this. This is your. Now I want to copy all your names to another file. CSCSTU MVR. observe here CS2 STU Okay, in this file, this is the MVR file copy. Okay, I am saving with another name MVR file copy 1. Okay, here which file we will open? CSC 2 year stu. This is the name of the file. CS 2 year stu. I want to open this file in read mode. Okay, now I am creating new file. My, what is the name of the file? My stu students, my students.txt. Okay, save this file. Now I am reading the first student line in F1 means in this file I am reading the first student name, printing this one and writing onto the file also. Next, this for loop is executed until the end of the line. I am reading the second line, I am writing onto this file. I am reading the third line, I am writing onto this line. Okay, like this I am performing this operation until the read the first line, first student, print on the output, write onto the file. Read the second line, print onto the output, write onto the file. Okay, this is the program. Now we will run this program. Okay, my file copy 1.py. Okay, some error is there. What is the error? No such directory or some mistake is there in the name of the file csc2 year stu. No such file or directory. Okay, what is the name of the file here we are given? CSE STUMVR. Name of the file is not to CSE STUMVR. If the file not exists, in read mode I am open the file. That file is not there. That's why it is showing error. Here the name of the file is this one. Okay, what is the name of the file? CSE STUMVR. Now I am opening that file. Okay, save this one. You can run this program. CLS clear. If the file not exist, it will show error. My file one dot copy. Okay, all the names are listed. Is now we will check whether that file is created or not. We will check here in this one. MVR CSC. What is the name of the file? My students. Okay, this is the file we have created by executing the program. My students. Okay, in this file also have the same data, all the student names. Okay, Kirti, Ruchita, Vijay, Ravi, Bhavya, all these names are there. Okay, this is the program for copying contents of the one file to another file in Python. Okay, now we have seen how to copy all the contents of the one file to another file. Now I will give one program to you, task. Okay, today task is append two files. One file 1 contains some data, 20 names. File 2 contains 20 names. I want to append all the contents of file 1 and file 2 to file 3. How to perform it? Okay, I will say the logic. Yourself will try the program. Okay, after completion of this program, post in our department group only, post this program only. Okay. The logic is open the first file in read mode. Open the second file in read mode. Open the third file F1, F2, F3, third file in write mode. Read the every line from the first file and write onto the third file F3. After completion of that for loop, the same process for the second file. Read the every line of the second file and write onto the third file. After that F1 dot close, F2 dot close, F3 dot close. Okay, if you do like this means those two files are mixed, appended, and new file will be created. Okay, this is the program for appending two files onto this file. Yourself will try and post in our department group. Okay, this is about files in Python programming. Next class. Okay, previously I said that I will cover next class is entirely about this Python certification course. Okay, after completion of this unit, I will cover that one. Okay, after completion of the second unit, we will go through the Python certification course detail. Okay, not now. Later, after 3 or 4 classes, I will explain about Python certification course and the syllabus in detail. Okay, one exclusively 15 minutes I will take only for Python certification course. How to do it. Okay. Next session we will see another topic in Python. Okay. Have a nice day, my dear students. Bye bye. Okay, this is the today's program, not assignment. You have to do. Okay, if and only if I want to settle my life, I want to be a good Python programmer. Okay, 80% if you are completing the BTech going outside means out of 100 jobs, 80% on Python only. Now onwards, if you create interest towards doing the Python programs means okay, it is very good. Okay, later if you are so interested, then later I will cover Django also, TensorFlow also. Okay, like that. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye. In next session, I will say another how to execute Python program. Next class, I will say another technique is also. We have seen number of ways to execute a Python program. Okay, okay. If you not understand how to execute Python program, go to the second video. Second video exclusively about different ways of executing Python program. Okay. In next session, apart from that, another way is also there. How to execute Python program using Google app. Okay, interactive Python notebook. In next session, we will see that one. Okay, we will see another topic in next session. This is about entirely working with files. This folder is available. Whatever you have seen, whatever the programs you have seen, I am typing, I am doing. All those are available in the lab shared folder. Okay, your department material shared folder lab. You will go to miss. You will observe the folder. Okay. Have a nice day once again. Bye bye.